If I or someone else asked you a simple question like, are you ready to succeed? I'm sure your answer will be yes, of course, and that's great. But then, if the next question was, do you know what it takes to succeed? I think your answer will be kind of yes, somewhat. That means you have some idea, but you are not sure. Would I be right in assuming that? Now, in that case, here is another question. Can you go from point A to point B unless you know the correct route? If you are like me, you will say, of course not. You have to know the correct route. And this is exactly the reason why most people are unable to succeed. Most people are not able to succeed. Even though they are ready to do what it takes to succeed, but they don't know what it takes to succeed. And that's why they are unable to succeed. In case you or anybody you know is in that situation, here are a few tips which can probably help you in achieving what you want to achieve success. Number one, you must have a clear goal. It is not enough that you have the desire to success. It is not enough that you have the commitment to success. You must know what the success looks like. What is your goal? And you must have a SMART goal, and I'm not going to go into that right now. The second thing which you require along with the goal is plan. Because if you don't have a plan, if you don't have a strategy, then obviously you're going to find it very difficult or almost impossible to achieve the goal you want to achieve. Number three, do you have the necessary skills? For example, if you want to go from point A to point B by driving, and if you're going to drive by yourself, then do you know how to drive a car? If you don't know how to drive a car, then you must learn how to drive a car. So you must learn the skills. Number four, are you ready to take action? Because many people, they are willing to succeed, they are willing to learn, but they are not willing to work hard. And last but not the least, you need a mentor, you need a guide. Imagine you're going from point A to point B and you don't know the route and you're asking everybody on the road, how to go. You may reach, you may not reach, and even if you reach, it may take you a long time. But if you had somebody sitting with you who can guide you exactly on how to go from point A to point B, I think that will be much more easier. So that is the importance of a coach or a mentor in achieving your goal. So hope this video helps. My name is Yathiraj Agarwal, and my mission is to help 1 million startups, entrepreneurs, business owners, professionals and salesopreneurs to 3x their profit in 1 year. If you want to be one among them, feel free to connect and let me see what I can do for you. Have a great day.